So can you find my live stream? Can you see me if you look up SilverTorch66? If you just go to YouTube and look up SilverTorch66 and then see if there's a live stream advertisement.
You know, live now.
Live now? What do you see? I want to see what you can see.
Here, Sundays. Not to now, it's on Sunday.
No, I know. It's live now. I am. It's on right now.
No.
Honey, I'm telling you, I'm on right now. I'm telling you that. You keep telling me no, and I'm telling you that I'm on right now. There's 4 people watching, so live now. So what is that? If you click on it, what happens? Can you click on it for me? Oh my gosh. Many people are rolling in there.
Are you live? Are you gonna talk to people?
No, I didn't actually go live. I just connected. But somehow
Because people will wait for you.
somehow it's live. Let's see. I hear you. You hear me. Cool. I'm just doing a little check for tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday.
Tomorrow is only
Oh yeah, today's only Friday night. Look at this. The room's filling up. Got 11 people. That's about as much as I get on a... Yeah, I know. Not good. What's going on, guys? You guys see the video I published tonight? Go check it out. Muscle Shell, what's up?
In 2 minutes we had 12. Like.
I know.
Because it's Friday, everybody's on the.
Because it's Friday. Isn't there some other auctions going on today, guys? I think they got some other auctions going on today. Friday is, well, maybe it's over by now because it's kind of late.
Maybe.
10:30? It's 10:30.
Yeah, everybody's on YouTube because it's Friday. Better start doing it. It was Friday. Friday night, about 6 p.m.
Oh, Coin Jeremy, you checked it out. Cool. Ant Orda, I have an auction. You have an auction? We'll have to check that out. Oh, let's see. So what are you guys doing? Just hanging out or what? I really didn't think the room would fill up if I just did a quick check. Typo. Oh, okay. Let me see here. Playbacks. 35 playbacks. Oh my gosh, look at everybody's rolling up in here. What's going on, people? How the heck is everybody? I guess so. Thanks Thanks, Coin Jeremy. I appreciate that. Got a link to her auction. It's only 7:34 in California. Ah, okay. So it's a little early. That's right. That's right. Yeah, that's Miss Torch. My sweetheart. Ah, Salvador from the Philippines. I'm sure Salvador speaks Tagalog, so. Silver Sacks, what's going on? Hey, did you guys all receive your mail from last week? Hopefully. Salvador says, yes, sir.
Oh, he purchased it?
No, it speaks Tagalog. Jonathan saying hello to you.
Oh, hi.
And I know they can hear you real well because this microphone works really good. They heard you giggling and laughing over there last week.
Sorry.
Silver Troopers in the house. What's going on? Yeah, for some reason the mail is like really crazy slow. Especially for the stuff that went out on the 26th for whatever reason. Actually, it went out on the 28th. So 26th was a Sunday. I got everything out on the 28th, and people still haven't received it. But it's all out there. I have tracking numbers for everything. So it's all on its way, guys and gals. Yeah, Silver Sacks, I'm telling you. Yeah, I feel really good about some of the purchases that I've made in the last 3 or 4 weeks with prices the way they are right now. I mean, I picked up that 10-ounce bar from Silver Gold Bull for 19 and change. So I picked up 10 ounces for 19 and change per ounce. Not bad considering what it is right now. In a way, I'm kind of hoping that we get a little bit of a pullback, because honestly, it's not healthy for the prices to climb the way they are without having a chance to pull back, catch its breath, and then continue to move up. You got to be careful when you start to get that hockey stick look, you know, that instant climb in a market. That is not always the best thing you want to see. Yeah, I picked up some stuff, and literally by the time it was delivered, it was worth like $5 more per piece than it was when I bought it. $5 difference. It was like, whoa. Oh yeah, Silver Trooper. Yeah, if you were picking it up at 14 and 15, I think you know, I've been buying since pretty active since 2016, I guess. Did TB ever do a video yet TB. Help me out. Help remind me. I'm tired. Who's TB? I know that. Oh, Talking Bullion. Yeah, they already did theirs. And Sterling Cannabis did his. I think Sterling Cannabis was the last one to do the Yankee box. And he actually left my channel piece in there. So that's going to be interesting. Because if it makes it all the way to Yankee, then I'm going to add the matching serial numbered cross that goes with the round, so that whoever wins the whole thing will get both pieces. Yeah, I picked up well, I'm still buying shot, grains and shot. It's still the cheapest thing you can buy. Buy maybe $1. It's not crazy cheap, but it's a little cheaper. Yeah, Draco, you left it in there too. That's right. Yep. So I'm hoping that it goes all the way to the end, and then that way I will add that cross, and the winner will get. We'll get them both. Lambo Stacker, what's up? Lambo Stacker is does that avatar name, does that come, you got cryptos too, my friend? Or do you just own a Lambo? Or want to own a Lambo? Yeah, I'm waiting on the GSR 2 there, Silver Sacks. Most of my rounds that I picked up. I was just looking there yesterday. Anywhere from 60 to 80. 80 to 1, 60 to 1, 80 to 1. So I really wanted to get it down to about 40 to 1. If I get down to 40 to 1, if the GSR gets down to 40, I will probably be converting a decent percentage. Because that means I will be doubling anything that I bought at 80 to 1, I will be doubling. Silverholic, what's up? No, I just was just testing some stuff out. I just put a video up, and then wanted to make sure I had the advertisements out for the live chat for this weekend. And like within 30 seconds, the room just started, filling up with a dozen people. And so here we are again. Yeah, Dracos, that nugget was really nice. I like that nugget that you put in there. That was a nice touch, and kind of appropriate, I mean, we've had the constitutional, we've had personal pores, we've had the sovereign, bullion, but you put that nugget in there, and that was nice. That was really nice. Let's see. Silverholic says, you sent me an email last Sunday and I never replied. Yeah, we're talking about the giveaway. Oh, I did actually. Silverholic, yes. I did. So I did not see it. I thought I checked all my emails. That's really unusual, because I have been trying to get a hold of you, or wanting to have an offline conversation with you. Not a big deal, but I just, I don't want to do it here on the air. So I'll drop you an email and we'll try to connect up this weekend. It's because when EF I remember that commercial. That was a. Oh, you guys cracked me up. Question is, 20 ounces for a quarter ounce of gold, is that a good deal? The only way to answer that is, what was the ratio of gold to silver when you made your purchase? See, that's what matters. You buy when the GSR is high and you sell when it's low, assuming that you have silver to begin with, like I do. So when the GSR is high, I'm buying silver. When the GSR goes low, then I sell it and convert it to gold. Then when it goes back up again, then I sell the gold back to silver. If I had gold when the GSR was 123 to 1, if I had an ounce of gold, I would convert it to silver. Jonathan, I'm thinking about going to trade tomorrow. Okay. Well, I mean, it all depends on, if you're talking about a GSR trade, then it just depends on how much you paid. Not how much you paid. That's irrelevant. What the GSR was when you made your purchases. And that's why that I track that in my spreadsheets. I always know the GSR at the time of my purchases. It really doesn't matter how much money he spent, because the dollar amounts are irrelevant. What's up, Deanne? Did you get my email? I responded to your email there, Deanne. Evidently, I ignore Silverholic, but I answered yours. But yeah, the actual dollar amount has no relevance whatsoever to a GSR trade. It's completely irrelevant. 20 days till your surgery. 47,420. What? Hopefully, it's nothing serious. Hope it all goes real well for you. Myself to trade gold for silver. I know, big L, right? So it almost seems unnatural to do that, but when if you believe in the GSR, and you look at it, I mean, historically, 123 to 1, I think, was where it peaked. That's the highest I believe that it's ever been in history. If you were ever going to decide to sell gold or trade gold for silver, that's the optimal time to do it. In my opinion, that is my opinion. So did you guys check out my video? You guys need to check it out, because it's going to be on the trivia on Sunday. So make sure you check it out. Let's see. Well, okay, but Silver Sacks, I get it. I totally get it. But you're mixing apples and oranges here. So, you can get an ounce of gold for a little over $12.50, but that's dollars, and that's kind of not what I'm talking about. The dollars don't matter. It's what you're doing is you're trying to. The GSR is all about accumulating more physical metal. So, if you buy silver when it's 100 to 1, and then you sell it when it's 50 to 1, and buy gold, then you will end up getting 2 ounces of gold for originally what was valued at 1 ounce of gold. It's very difficult to do without like a little blackboard or something, but you know, to explain. But anyway, it's in my videos. You can check it out. But the point is not the dollar amount. The point is you know, as you do those, like for instance, I did the video on the 80-50, the 80-50 rule, and you know, when it's 80-1, you buy. When it's 50-1, you buy gold. 80-1, you buy silver. 50-1, you buy gold. And if you were to continue to do that, if you did that consistently over the last, you know, 60, 70, no less, 40 years, you would have, you know, multiplied, I think it's by 4. I think you would have, you know, multiplied your amount of gold by 4, just by doing those GSR trades. And those GSR trades are like once every 7 years, 5 years, 3 years, 6 years. They're not, you know, they're not quick to come. There's quite a bit of time in between. Please don't ask technical questions about the furnace. I have a terrible memory. Oh, okay. Yeah, but my whole video was on the furnace, so you know there's gonna be questions about it. I would love to hear your reasons why that is not important. It's not that it's not important. It's just not relevant to a GSR trade. That's what I'm saying. So when it comes to GSR, the dollar amount, the fiat amount that it costs for gold and silver isn't important. It's accumulating more silver and then trading it for more gold and then trading it back for more silver every 3 to 5 to 6 years when the GSR hits the, in this case, in the case of my video, the 50-30 rule. Let's see. Premiums, yeah. Big L. Let's see, in cryptos. Man, you guys are really, we're getting a great conversation going here. Let's see. Is a great way to increase your BTC holdings. I guess I should learn to play the GSR in the same way. Yeah, Big L. So the only thing with the cryptos is you know, a GSR is based upon cycles, historical cycles, and you have to have enough history to be able to read those cycles and to be able to know what the rule is, or when is the optimal time to either go from silver to gold or gold to silver, or in your case, from Bitcoin to altcoin, altcoin to Bitcoin. Right now, I've stopped buying altcoins, and I'm just accumulating Bitcoin. That's all I'm doing right now. And right now, it's the strongest thing out there, and I mean, I'm watching my portfolio grow, guys. It's growing. It's growing with silver. It's growing with precious metals, and it's growing with cryptos. Yeah, I have like a few sentimental pieces of gold, small, but I don't have any substantial gold. But I will. If the GSR gets down to 40, you'll watch SilverTorch start doing some gold videos. I won't let it all go. I'll always have some silver, but let's see. Last time. Really? That's your LCS. Oh yeah, Silver Sack, your first cycle. Right, right. And I'm really, really concerned because the the GSR may not have any relevance if the market's all shut down, if there is a monetary reset or a devaluation of the dollar. There's a lot of things that could really throw a ratchet into the works and kind of screw up a traditional GSR trade. However, I know that I bought it, let's say 80 to 1. And so if I converted it 40 to 1, I still have the gold. I still have the precious metals. It's kind of a win-win. It really doesn't, you can convert it back and forth all day long. It doesn't matter whether you take a dollar loss, a fiat loss or not. All you're doing is moving silver and gold back and forth. So the only place that you lose out is on like premiums and stuff. And that's what I think Silverholic was saying, I think earlier. Yeah. Yeah, it's really interesting to watch. I updated my spreadsheets. My spreadsheet still had, I don't know, $17 an ounce. And I updated it to, what was it, $29 an ounce? And I was like, whoa, that's a huge difference in my my portfolio there. So, yeah, I was pretty happy about that. That was nice. But it's gonna, we're gonna probably have a pullback. So don't be too bent out of shape when you see things pull back. The thing that I'm kind of hung up on is as I keep waiting for the manipulation hammer to drop. Where's that at? They've never let it go this far. So is that it? Is manipulation over? Is it done? Are we gonna finally let the markets find their true value? How did that feel to put the numbers in? Yeah, yeah. It was pretty damn cool. Yeah, just to see that number pop up when I updated the spot price. So yeah, it was awesome. Right, yeah, the pullbacks, obviously it's time, I always buy on the dips anyway, but we really need the silver market to pull back. We really need the gold market to pull back a little bit too. Not too much. I really, it's got to stay above 20. If it doesn't stay above 20, then we've got manipulation that's driving it and pushing it down. But I'm not seeing that right now. And the fact that they've let it get all the way to 29, as you can see, they stopped it at 30. The markets, the powers that be would not let it go over 30. Now, if it does go over 30, if we break 30 in the next few weeks, that's a whole new ball game, folks. That is a whole new ball game. If we can get silver over $30 an ounce, and if it can sustain a daily or even a weekly above, then it's all over. It's all over. We will never go back down to 20 again, in my opinion. So, again, I'm not a financial advisor. But, yeah, if it double tops, then that's not a good sign. But Yellow Brick Bullion thinks it's going to break 30 on Monday. Well, it's interesting, you know, over the weekends there's been a lot of action over the weekends over in the Asian markets. And because our manipulators are here in North America and they're not doing the manipulation, the prices are allowed to run in Asia, and then when the American markets open up, or the British markets, you know, London and the New York exchange open up, then, you know, it shoots up. It shoots up. So right. That's true, but you know what, Silverholic, you know, talking about the whole numbers and shorts, I can't imagine anyone even thinking that silver was going to be at $30 an ounce to even have a short. You know what I mean? It's just like, I wasn't even fathoming the idea of silver being at $30 an ounce. It's very realistic now, but, you know, but it's just amazing. And it's happy days, you know, but like all markets, they have their ebb and flow, and you've just got to realize that there's going to be pullbacks. But if we don't see manipulation in the markets, I think there is a great opportunity for silver to just continue to climb, and it'll probably never look back. It'll probably never look back. It will go up and then stay up, and then it will be a store value, kind of like gold is. I'm hoping Bitcoin does the same thing. Well, it kind of already is, so. Let's see, all kinds of people here. Let's go, what's, half ounce, it doesn't look back. Oh, what's up, Nate? How's it going? Yeah, this is an unplanned hop online. We got, what, 15 people in here chatting. When silver hits 50, I expect a correction. You know, I think it's going to correct way before 50. Do I think we will see 50? Yes, but I think it's going to, if it goes all the way to 50 before a correction, that correction is going to be brutal. And that's what you don't want. You want small pullbacks. You want gains with small pullbacks, and so that the market is stable and it's showing consistent growth. You know, everybody's up late tonight. It's a Friday night. Yeah, Nate's got the wrench. He's the moderator. Let's see. My question is, what price is the moon? Oh. Oh. Yeah, what price is the moon? You know what? We're in uncharted territory. You know, if there's a monetary reset, if the dollar collapses, if the dollar has to be devalued or revalued, then these are all factors that cannot be anticipated. How much people panic, how quickly people run away from fiat currencies, how quickly the government replaces the fiat with something else, whatever it may be, all of these factors, there is not a single economist on this planet that can forecast what's going to happen. If any one of them says that they can, I say to you that they're full of BS. Because there is nothing to base it on. There is no historical data that is like what we are going through now on a global scale. This type of thing happened on a national scale, but not on a global scale. And so, all right, Silver Trooper, good night. Get you some rest. And maybe we'll see you on Sunday. Uh-oh. Jonathan, what's Jonathan selling? There's so much going on in the chat, I can't keep up with it all. Jonathan says, won't sell to the LCS. What are you selling, Jonathan? What do you got? I'm trying to look back to see what you said that you had. Oh, Morgans. I have the Morgans to sell next week. Are those Morgans actual Morgan dollars, or are those Morgan generic rounds? Because I love Morgan dollars. Nate's been selling a few things here and there to get some high-priced items. I have 2 Blast White PCGS graded Morgans, 1883, 1884 O, both MS63. Oh, these are all slabbed and graded. Yeah, I picked up some Morgans as well, so we'll be having a Morgan on the auction this week, so you'll see a Morgan out there. But it won't be as nice as yours, Jonathan. No way. If I had one that nice, it would go in my collection. I couldn't sell it. Yeah, what's let's see. This is the see if I can copy and paste. And okay. There we go. Now we got the chat up there. Evere Reasonable? Okay. Oh. Jonathan probably could tell you all about that capped bust. Yeah, if you got one in fine condition too, that's really nice. Really, Silver Sacks, you got a Carson City. Nice. Very nice. I just hate the prices on those things. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really. Oh man. If we have the reset, where will the GSR go? How low will it go? A lot of people are saying that, silver might even, you might get into below 20 to 1. I know it's all speculation, but I'd be getting me some gold. Because I don't know, I can't see the spread between gold and silver going back to 100 to 1. Not for a very, very long time. Oh, easily over $100 for Carson Cities, Nate. Easily. According to the Majestic Metals, the mining ratio for silver to gold is 8 to 1. There are so many different people that are coming out. The Geological Survey has one number. There's everybody has their theories. I'm not sure what I can believe out there. And then you have the whole issue with all of the silver that's unrecoverable, meaning, put into radios and electronic equipment, and then now it's in the landfills. Keep gold and silver tight, yeah. I don't know. Do you think people are still gonna want to pick up gold or pick up silver at the auctions? I don't know. How did the auctions go today? Let's see. Today's Friday, right? So, what auctions went on today? Because I know everybody here in this chat is hits the whole circuit of auctions, right? So, what auctions were today? Did let's see, did I can't think who had auctions going on. Peggy Hunts Everything got an auction right now. Peggy Hunts Everything. Silver Sacks. Well, that's cool of you to say that. So, I pick up a lot from my local online auctions. My local online auctions. Going for 30 across the board for 1 ounce and 25 for Morgans. Probably good, very good condition Morgans. If they're in better shape than that, I hope they're going for more than 25. If not, I'll buy. I will buy those for sure. Peggy's auction. There it is right there. Let me see here. Let me see. It says, oops, something went wrong with your link. Maybe I just didn't click on it right. YouTube Studio. What the hell is YouTube Studio? I don't think that's a good link, Jonathan. I don't. Either that or I'm not using it right. Let me see if I can search. Oh, did you guys see? Oh, you know what? I gotta check that. Hold on. You know, I got memberships now, right? Let me see. I want to see if I can activate them. I was waiting on one thing to get approved so I could activate. I just got to go into my studio here and double check and see. It's approved. I can turn it on. I'm going to turn it on. Let's see what happens. What happens next? A join button will appear on your video and channel pages. Anyone who clicks will see your membership offers. Switch your announcement video to public so your fans hear about it. Yeah, right, okay. The members only post you create, okay. Get ready to start delivering the perks you promised. Did you guys check out that? The perks? Let me see. Muscle Shell's here. What's going on? Hey man, I did not know that you were like a herpetologist there, Muscle Shell. I mean, you really getting into your reptiles there. I love some of your photography that you did on your reptiles. Very, very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Set the blind man to the deaf child. And we will, live streams, and nope, where is it at? There it is. All right, let's see what I can do here. Let's create this. Okay. Then we go. One. Two, and we go three. Hey, I can count. And the cover. Gotta have the cover, right? All right. So first, and then, there we go. There we go. $18 generics, one. What is that? Oh yeah, you're welcome there, Muscle Shell. You know, I had a pet wholesale company for years, and I was I don't know if you're familiar with the Breeders Expo in Orlando, Florida. Have you ever heard of that? I don't know what part of the country. I think you're from out west, right? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, you're Western. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, the National Breeders Expo, I was an exhibitor there for the first like 3 or 4 years that they started that thing off, but that was back in the late 80s, early 90s. An unplanned auction of a poured piece. I don't have any poured pieces. You guys bought them all. My plan is to pour tomorrow. Today I got my video out. Tomorrow I'm going to do some pouring because so I really don't have any pours to even offer. Plus, if I wait, I'll also have cash from selling these Morgans, so I could get bigger pieces of gold or use less silver on a trade. Yeah, I'm hanging on to silver as well. What are the prices right now? Oh, they're actually going down a little bit. 28.30. Nancy, what's going on? Hey, Maine, thank you. We have our very first member. You are the very first. Welcome. $100 per ounce on $100 per ounce on generic silver. What kind of a deal is that? Yeah, we're just hanging out too. Really not doing much. Every time I go live, the room fills up. But that's all right. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. JB. I guess so, Nate. Yeah, I guess so. I'm feeling loved, man. Either that or everyone is just desperately bored and it's a Friday night and we're all stuck in the house because we can't go party.